Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon doesn't show in for Windows 11. So the first method we need to click on the Windows button here, and now we go to the settings, and then once we get to the settings we click on system here, and we just scroll down until we can see troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot over here, and then choose other troubleshooters, click on it here, and just go to network and internet and click on run. And here it said that and here it shows that for me I don't have an issue. You are connected to the internet, the network connection qualify might be low a little bit. So these are some recommendations that you can do. For example, restart your PC, or you start a modem, router, or access point, or even restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. So that's the first method what we're gonna do. The second method what we're gonna do here, we will restart our adapter. So to do this, we click on the Windows button here and go to run and search for ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now you will be directed here to this page. Just click on the Wi-Fi, right click and choose disable, and then right click and choose enable once again. Because once you click on disable, this option will be changed to enable. And then you click on it once again, and that's how the Wi-Fi connection will be working, and you will see the Wi-Fi icon here. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.